Welcome to Current Affairs Reader. We are discussing the top 15 important MCQs regarding the Constituent Assembly of India. Question number 1. Who put forward the idea of the Constituent Assembly for India? Option A, Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Option B, M. N. Roy. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer. Option B, M. N. Roy. Explanation. The idea of a Constituent Assembly for India was first officially put forward by the pioneer of the Indian Communist Movement, M. N. Roy, in 1934. Question number 2. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was held on Option A, the 13th of December 1946. Option B, the 26th of November 1946. Option C, the 9th of December 1946. Option D, the 26th of January 1947. Correct answer. Option C, the 9th of December 1946. Explanation. The first session of the Constituent Assembly of India was held in New Delhi. It began on the 9th of December 1946 and concluded on the 23rd of December 1946. Question number 3. Who was the temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Sachidananda Sinha. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Option D, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer. Option B, Sachidananda Sinha. Explanation. Dr. Sachidananda Sinha, the oldest member of the Constituent Assembly, was elected as the temporary president. Question number 4. Who were the vice presidents of the Constituent Assembly? Option A, G. B. Mavalankar and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option B, H. C. Mukherjee and Sachidananda Sinha. Option C, A. B. Thakur and Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. Option D, H. C. Mukherjee and B. T. Krishnamachari. Correct answer. Option D, H. C. Mukherjee and B. T. Krishnamachari. Explanation. The Constituent Assembly had two vice presidents, H. C. Mukherjee and B. T. Krishnamachari. Question number 5. How many members were originally in the Constituent Assembly? Option A, 296. Option B, 292. Option C, 389. Option D, 381. Correct answer. Option C, 389. Explanation. The Constituent Assembly initially had 389 members as per the Cabinet Mission Plan. 296 members were from the provinces, and 93 members were from the princely states. Following the partition in 1947, the Assembly's membership was reduced to 299. 229 members represented the 12 British Indian provinces, and 70 members represented the princely states. Question number 6. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly? Option A, Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Option B, J. B. Kripalani. Option C, A. B. Thakur. Option D, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer. Option D, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Explanation. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly of India, elected on the 11th of December 1946. Prior to his election, Dr. Sachidananda Sinha served as the temporary president for the Constituent Assembly's opening session on the 9th of December 1946. Question number 7. The drafting committee was formed on Option A, the 15th of August 1947. Option B, the 23rd of December 1946. Option C, the 9th of December 1946. Option D, the 29th of August 1947. Correct answer. Option D, the 29th of August 1947. Explanation. The drafting committee was a committee of the Constituent Assembly. It was formed on the 29th of August 1947 to draft the Constitution of India. Question number 8. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Option A, Gopalaswamy Iyengar. Option B, K. M. Munshi. Option C, Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Option D, N. Madhava Rao. Correct answer. Option C, Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Explanation. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly of India. Question number 9. How many members were in the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Option A, 7. Option B, 8. Option C, 9. Option D, 6. Correct answer. Option A, 7. Explanation. The drafting committee consisted of 7 members. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar, K. M. Munshi, Muhammad Sadullah, N. Madhava Rao replaced B. L. Mitter, T. Krishnamachari replaced D. P. Khaitan. Question number 10. Who was the Secretary of the Constituent Assembly? Option A, S. N. Mukherjee. Option B, K. Santhanam. Option C, H. B. R. Iyengar. Option D, K. M. Munshi. Correct answer. Option C, H. B. R. Iyengar. Question number 11. Who was the legal advisor of the Constituent Assembly? Option A, Humayun Kabir. Option B, J. B. Kripalani. Option C, Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. Option D, B. N. Rao. Correct answer. Option D, B. N. Rao. Question number 12. Which among the following was the symbol of the Constituent Assembly? Option A, elephant. Option B, tiger. Option C, lotus. Option D, lion. Correct answer. Option A, elephant. Question number 13. How long did the Constituent Assembly take to complete the Constitution? Option A, 2 years, 10 months, 6 days. Option B, 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Option C, 2 years. Option D, 2 years, 6 months, 17 days. Correct answer. Option B, 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Question number 14. How many sessions did the Constituent Assembly hold? Option A, 10 sessions. Option B, 11 sessions. Option C, 12 sessions. Option D, 15 sessions. Correct answer. Option B, 11 sessions. Question number 15. Consider the following statements regarding the Constituent Assembly. Which one is correct? Option A, Constituent Assembly is an elected body. Option B, Constituent Assembly is a nominated body. Option C, Constituent Assembly is both a partly elected and partly nominated body. Correct answer. Option C, Constituent Assembly is both a partly elected and partly nominated body. Explanation. Elected members. The provincial legislative assemblies chose 296 representatives from British Indian territories through an indirect election. Nominated members. The rulers of the princely states directly appointed, nominated 93 representatives. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Current Affairs Reader.